Buffalo LinkStation 720 16 terabyte NAS review. Real proof your cloud storage bills just became optional.
The Buffalo LinkStation 720 16 terabyte is a two-bay network-attached storage device that sits next to your router and creates your own private cloud without monthly fees, ever. Think of it as your personal Dropbox or Google Drive, except you own the hardware, control the data, and never pay subscription charges. It ships with two 8-terabyte NAS-grade hard drives already installed and configured in RAID 1, which means every file automatically mirrors to both drives for protection against hardware failure. You get 8 terabytes of usable, protected storage that works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, including the latest version, iPhones, Android phones, smart TVs, and basically any device on your network. It backs up all your computers automatically, streams your media library to every room, and lets you access your files from anywhere through secure remote access. Imagine never dealing with that sinking feeling when your cloud storage quota fills up and the upgrade screen appears again.
Here are the biggest wins you get the moment this goes live on your network. First, complete freedom from monthly cloud storage bills. No more paying $15 to $30 every single month just to store your own photos and files. Second, dramatically faster local access speeds because your data lives on your network, not traveling through internet bottlenecks to distant servers and back. Third, automated backup that actually runs silently every night without you lifting a finger, protecting every computer and device in your home or office. Fourth, true data privacy, because your files stay on hardware you own in your location, never sitting on corporate servers subject to terms of service changes or data mining. Here's where it gets interesting. You also get time machine support for Macs, DLNA media streaming to smart TVs, remote access from anywhere through encrypted connections, and 24/7 US-based support that walks you through setup at any hour. Drop a comment if subscription fatigue sounds painfully familiar. Picture this common scenario. A family photographer with 15 years of irreplaceable photos scattered across 3 old external drives, iCloud, Google Photos, and 2 laptops. Every backup attempt felt stressful and incomplete. Then they set up the LinkStation 720, and within one weekend, everything consolidated into one protected location accessible from every device. The transformation moment happened during their first automatic backup. They woke up Monday morning to an email notification confirming that 4 terabytes of family memories had migrated safely overnight while they slept. Initially, they doubted whether remote access would actually work smoothly, but the first time they pulled up vacation photos on their phone from a coffee shop miles away, the realization hit. This genuinely replaced their expensive cloud subscriptions without sacrificing convenience. The RAID 1 mirroring means even if a drive fails, every single photo survives intact on the second drive. That peace of mind changed everything about how they think about their digital life. After testing a few storage options, one thing became clear. Performance and security matter more than flashy features most people never use. Don't just pick any network storage device. Make sure it has a closed system security design so you never waste your time on the ransomware nightmares and third-party app vulnerabilities everyone keeps complaining about again. The LinkStation 720 delivers up to 7 times faster speeds than the older LinkStation 200 series, which means large file transfers that used to take 30 minutes now finish in under 10. Real testing shows sustained read speeds around 100 to 115 megabytes per second over gigabit Ethernet, basically maxing out what wired networks can deliver. A technology analyst noted, the closed system approach meaningfully reduces attack surface risks that plague app-heavy NAS platforms. One Mac user reported, time machine setup took 2 minutes and has worked flawlessly through 3 macOS updates. A creative professional shared, transferring 60 gigabytes of raw wedding photos now takes 10 minutes instead of 40. That's a game changer for my workflow.
Buffalo's 24/7 US-based support answered setup questions at 9 p.m. on a Sunday. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for speed, 2 for security, 3 for Mac compatibility. The pre-installed drives eliminate compatibility guesswork entirely.
The BUFFALO LinkStation 720 16 terabyte delivers your own private cloud with 0 monthly fees, automatic backup for every device, and remote access from anywhere, all protected by RAID 1 mirroring. Thousands of families and home offices already use it daily to replace expensive subscriptions and scattered storage chaos. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it to the top. Just click and explore. You deserve storage you actually own.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.